Hello everyone, welcome back again to On How channel. My name is Anas, I'm working for you. So if you have any questions or any video requests, make sure to drop them below in comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment. If you are wondering again why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And in this video I will show you how to add a background image to the Shopify footer. So if you want to add a background picture to the footer of your Shopify store, well, currently based on the theme customizer that's provided by Shopify, you cannot do that. You can either set a color that's based on the colors on the theme settings, or just keep it white as the default for the Shopify store. But if you want to set a different background picture, I mean any picture you want, upload it to the Shopify store and set it as the background for the footer, you cannot do that. But after you watch this video, you can do that. So as I said in this video, I will show you how to set a background image to the footer of your Shopify store. And this trick will work for any theme, no matter if you are using a default theme that's provided by Shopify or a custom theme that's downloaded from elsewhere. This trick will work for you both ways. In my next video, I will show you how to change the footer text color on your Shopify store, and I mean only the footer. Because if you did set the background for your Shopify footer to a picture that's lighter in color, where the text, especially if it's white, will not look properly. So you need to change the text color as well, and you will need to change the text color only for the footer. That's exactly what I'm about to show you in next video. And if you are wondering why is that, because simply I'm working for you. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. But before we start, if this video helped you out, help me out pressing that like button. I would really appreciate it. It's completely free and it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And let's just jump to it. As you can see, by the way, this is the Shopify store that I do all the tutorials on, and everything you see in this video, including this looping video right here without any controls whatsoever, as well as the video banner and the transparent header below it, as you can see, everything I did show it in videos, and all the code is available for free because, as I said, I'm working for you. So if you're interested in how to customize your Shopify store to make it unique and branded, make sure to check out my channel. But for now, let's just get to it and show you how to change the footer, this footer right here, to set a background picture only for the footer. And if I scroll up a little bit, you will see this section I did set a background picture for it. However, they do not have the same trick. I did use a different trick in order to set any section on your Shopify store to set a background picture for it, as well as set a custom color for it and a gradient color as well. So as I said, I showed a lot of things on my channel and you will not find any of these things on YouTube. So let's just quit talking and let's get to it. So let's just head over to Shopify dashboard, obviously. Then the next thing you're going to do is click on online store from here. Then click on the three dots on left of customize right here. Simply click on it and it will show you this menu, and click on edit code. Then it will take you to the code editor for your Shopify theme. And the first thing you're going to do is find a file called theme.liquid. And here is, I already see it, as you can see, theme.liquid. If you don't see it in here, simply use the search bar. I already click on it. Let's just close it. As I said, if you don't find it, simply click on the search bar right here and search for it. In my case, here is, I found it, so I'm going to click on it. Then it will show me a bunch of code in here, as you can see. The next thing you're going to do is scroll down to look for /head. Or you can use the Control F if you are on Windows, or Command F if you are on Mac like me, and type in here /head, and it will highlight it on the screen. And here it is, as you can see, it did highlight it for me. So after you did find it, scroll down the description box and you will see a link, name it as code. Simply click on it and it will take you to this page right here, where you're gonna see a very short code. As you can see, it's 8 lines to be exact. So this is the code that will do the magic of changing the background picture to any picture you want. So let's just select it. Make sure you do select the whole code in here, then right click and copy. And after that, get back to the code editor, and why I said make sure to find /header, because we need to paste in the code before or above /head. And I repeat, this is really important, otherwise it will not work. Make sure you do paste it above or before /head. As you can see, in my case, the /head is the line 133. In my case, I'm going to paste it at 132. So as I said, make sure you paste it above /head. So I'm going to click here, then I'm going to paste in the code. But hold on, we didn't finish yet. You see the section here where it says image URL. We need to change this to the image that you want to set as the background, obviously. So we're gonna head to the Shopify dashboard, then we'll access the files and pick a picture if I have it. If I didn't, I'm gonna upload it from my files. Then I'm gonna set the link for it in here. And here this is the pictures that I do have currently on my Shopify store, or I'm going to use this picture right here. So I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna copy the link simply by clicking on this button right here on the right. Simply click on it and get back in here for the code editor and paste it in between the quotes in here, or the circles. I'm sorry, I don't know what this is called in English. I apologize. English is my third language, so I struggle sometimes with words. I apologize in advance. So just select the image URL in here, then remove the image URL that you did select and simply paste in the URL for the picture that you want to set as the background, just like I did right now, and make sure to place it in the correct section. Then click on save button to save the changes. And right now we will get back to the Shopify store and scroll down to the footer or reload the page and see if it will work or not. And the background should be this picture right here that we did select, which is this one. So let's just get back to Shopify store, which is this one, and let's just reload the page. And here it is. As you can see, this is the footer of my Shopify store, as you can see, and it's set to the picture that we did select exactly. And as I said, in my case, the text is black, and when it comes to the picture right here on the sand, the links does not show up properly. And as I said in the beginning of the video, in my next video, I will show you how to change the color for the text in the footer only to any color you want. So in my case, I did select this picture. I would change it to white and it will be clearly visible for the customers. But for now, that's how you set a background image to the footer of your Shopify store easily. And as I said, if you have any questions or any video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment or check out my Instagram right here below me. I do reply to each comment. If you are wondering again why is that, because simply I'm working for you. Otherwise, I think my job is done for this video. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.